Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So I love going to the beach, and of course I like clicking pictures when I go to the beach. So that's why today I'm going to show you how to wear beach makeup. This is going to be really simple, and I'm going to give you a few tips on how to do your makeup when you go to the beach. So let's start. So the first thing that we have to do is apply sunscreen. It's very important. You don't want to damage your skin. So for that I will be using my favorite Lash Shield Sunscreen. So apply lots and lots of sunscreen. It's very important. So once you've applied your sunscreen, second step is foundation. So we're not going to use anything like a thick foundation, something which is too thick on your face, it'll become cakey. So use something which is very light. I like this foundation. This is by Fenty Beauty. So this is a really light foundation. It's long wear, and it's very easy to apply. So I'm just going to take very little foundation because you don't want your makeup to be very cakey when you're at the beach. You can also use like a tinted moisturizer. I don't have a tinted moisturizer, so I'm going to use this. This is also very light, so I'm just going to show you the consistency of this. Can you see how light this is? So just apply it. So once you've applied your foundation, I don't like applying concealer because again it will get cakey. So I'm just going to use my foundation itself, just one drop. Take it in on my finger here and just apply it under my eyes. This will just brighten your under eyes. And be really light on your skin. So now it's time to apply some eyeshadow. I am wearing something really colorful because it's beach and you like, all different colors. So I have this amazing palette. This is by Makeup Revolution. This is their Maxi Reloaded palette. So I'm just going to take some really nice color. I think this is good, like an orange. So I'm not going to apply it all over my eyes, just as a liner. I'm going to do the same thing on this eye. So that's all I'm going to do because I'm wearing blue contacts and this is like orange. The color combination looks good. So I'm just going to stop there, and now it's time to apply mascara. Remember, your mascara has to be waterproof, otherwise it's going to smudge. So the mascara that I'm going to use today, it's by Makeup Revolution again, and it's the Power Lash. This is waterproof. So done with my mascara, time to do my brows, and for that I'm using again Makeup Revolution. So this is the brow pencil that I use. So I've applied my pencil. Now to set this, because I don't want my brows to move, I have this 24 hours brow setter. This is by Benefit. So because I'll be going in water and then I don't want my brows to come out, I mean the pencil. So I'm going to set it with this. Now your eyebrows are not going to move for 24 hours at least. So now it's time to apply my blush, and because I'll be going in the sun, I want my skin to illuminate a little, a little highlight. So I have this amazing blush which has a little bit of shimmer in it. This is again by Makeup Revolution. This is a beautiful shade and it gives you that shine. Can you all see that? It highlights as well, and it has a little bit of color, so it's perfect. I'm going to apply it on the bridge of my nose. That's done. So now when it comes to lipstick, make sure you apply something matte. You don't want to apply glossy lipstick. And for that I have this nice shade. This is by Sugar Cosmetics and the shade is 03. This is the Smudge Me Not lipstick. This is a really nice color. So let's apply this. So lipstick is done and this is my last step. I want my makeup to be in place, so I'm going to apply this mist. So this is the Milani Make It Last Dewy Setting Spray. So this is going to give me the dewy look and it will set my makeup. So guys, this is my beachy makeup look, and there are a few tips that I told you. Your mascara has to be waterproof, and make sure you apply matte lipstick and set your brows because you'll be going in water, and sunscreen is really important. I hope you like this look. Please hit the like button and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Dina Gowda Official and Foxy Makeup Tips, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.